John. Well, we are about to turn things over to the Thunderbirds, and that's going to be coming up next here in just about 5 minutes' time. And I want to tell you a little bit about what we're going to do here in the next couple minutes. Many of you have known and obviously have seen the news that we lost Rob Holland. We had our missing man formation earlier today. We kicked off the show and dedicated today's program to Rob and the fly in his memory. And it is always such a difficult thing for us to lose one of our this is a tight-knit community. I get the chance to commentate variety of aerial events from coast to coast, and there's really only so many of us that do this type of thing. And I spend more time with my Airshow family than my own family, being on the road for most weekends of the year. Yesterday we did a salute to Rob. We're going to do the same today. And momentarily, we're going to have a moment of silence. It's going to be 38 seconds long because Rob Holland had 38 medals in world competition. And courtesy of Firewalkers International Pyro, we're already sent him off with 2 big pyro hits. And my buddy Rick up here. Six-time World Aerobatic Champion, 13-time National Aerobatic Champion consecutive, a 14-time National Aerobatic Champion, the 2012 recipient of the Airshow World Championship Award. He was an honorary Angel, honorary Snowbird, a 4-time Charlie Hiller Trophy recipient, 4-time U.S. Unlimited Aerobatic Team Captain, and 2019 recipient of the Hiller Trophy Award. The accolades just go on and on and on. The humanity is just absolutely incredible. I wish I had more beautiful words to explain how much Rob meant to us. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would please join us in a moment of silence, and may we continue to dedicate our show today and our efforts to legendary. That's our family tribute, ladies and gentlemen, to Rob Holland. Thank you very much again for your respect and being part of that with all of us. It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, that we turn things over to your United States Air Force Thunderbirds.